ISTQB Foundation Level, question 511. Which of the following is correct? A. Impact analysis assesses the effect on the system of a defect found in regression testing. B. Impact analysis assesses the effect of a new person joining the regression test team. C. Impact analysis assesses whether or not a defect found in regression testing has been fixed correctly. D. Impact analysis assesses the effect of a change to the system to determine how much regression testing to do.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is D, according to ISTQB glossary. Impact analysis in maintenance testing is used to identify what parts of the system could be affected by a change, e.g. bug fixes, enhancement. Determine the scope of regression testing, i.e. which areas need to be retested to ensure the change did not break existing functionality. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because impact analysis is not about the effect of a defect found during regression testing, but about changes to the system, e.g. code configuration. Answer B is not correct, because the joining of a new person to the team is a resource consideration, not something impact analysis covers. Answer C is not correct, because whether a defect was fixed correctly is the purpose of confirmation testing, not impact analysis. My recommendation: please remember impact analysis and maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the ISTQB glossary definition. Impact analysis is the identification of all work products affected by a change, including an estimate of the resources needed to accomplish the change. This is consistent with the correct answer D. I think this question is not difficult for you if you have thoroughly understood the definitions of these courses. I wish you good luck on the ISTQB Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Never give up!